Hi everyone, happy Monday. It is December 14th and we are just plugging along with the month of December. We are almost halfway through, so I look forward to finishing off the month of December, still having fun and getting ready for our new year. It will be 2021 once the month of January starts. So, all right, let's catch up a little bit on our December week, and we're going to start with our Pledge of Allegiance like we always do. Now, if we were all here, I'd be able to come up to a second grade classroom and do the Pledge of Allegiance from that classroom. But again, we're just going to do it over the computer. I got my hand on my heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So thank you for saying the pledge with me. And again, I cannot wait until I can come back up into the classrooms and do the pledge with you all. Okay, this week we had some fun dress-up days. Today is Minnesota Day. Tomorrow is Grinch Day. So if you have something with Grinch or green. Wednesday is Shiny and Bright Day. So if you have anything sparkly or bright. Thursday is Snowman Day if you have anything with a snowman on it. And Friday is a holiday sweater day. So if you have anything extra special holiday fun, you can also wear that on Friday. Okay, so the trivia question, not even the trivia question, it was the voting question. What was your favorite winter activity? It was sledding or building a snowman. And the winner is sledding. Lots of kids like sledding. We did have kids that like building snowmen, but a few more kids like sledding. So that would be our winner. So our question this week is, what is your favorite holiday color? And there's lots of holiday colors. These might be the colors that we think of the most during the winter holidays, red, green, or blue. So the voting link will be up here and you can cast your vote to your favorite holiday color, and then we'll share that out next week. All right, keep doing your specialist activities throughout the week. Make sure that you are doing your PE and innovations in music and art and kindergarten. Make sure you're checking in with Mrs. Pompey or Mrs. Krings and getting your things done with them. You're doing a really good job because I know we would much rather be together more than what we are right now, but keep doing your best job. You're doing fabulous. All right, remember to be a star, and it doesn't matter if we're here or in the community or at home. Be safe, use teamwork, always take pride, responsibility, and show respect. All right, let's have a great week. This is our last full week of December. Next week we have 3 days. So we can do it. Let's do it together and keep doing a great job, boys and girls. Can't wait to see you again. Have a good week.